anti-gravity. This is the road take you to the anti-gravity. Today there is a goods anti-gravity. Okay, let's try again one more time. This is the location of gravity. Let's try. Turning forward. Stop the car. I will stop my car right now here. And I'll keep. And there's no handbrake. I remove my feet from the brake. The car will move. Or no? No, from here no. So I need to go forward a little bit. Here more slope. Okay, I'll stop here. Put my gear in. And I'll remove my feet from the brake. Let's see. Well, here nothing. I'll move forward. More slope. Stop here. Put my gear in. I remove my feet from the brake. Let's see now. Now the car moving. Yes, I can see that. It's moving. I'll go out from my car. Right, car going without driver. It's true. This is slow one. Car moving. This is nice. Without driver. The car moving without driver. It's amazing. This is slow. Here we go. Bye bye.